Okay, we'll have a discussion on your homework question as well. Just 1 second. Okay, also, Umair, please join with your proper name. Okay, you can change your name right now also. Join with your proper name. All right. Umair, is the book PDF visible to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have studied all this section. We studied the constant term. I taught you the formulas. We studied the types of graphs and all. So the first section is completed. Then we came to zeros of the polynomials. So we've done these examples as well. Now, okay, I have to teach you this part. Like when we have 3 zeros, that is basically cubic polynomials. Before we move to this part, I just want to have a discussion on these questions. The first question, I gave you these 3 questions as your homework. Have you done these? Okay, so we'll have a discussion on these questions. The first question says x square minus 2x minus 8. So first of all, you have to find the zero of the polynomial. So how will you find the zero of this polynomial?
Alpha is -2 and beta is 4.
Yeah, Umair, I'm saying you also have to tell me the step. How did you do it? How did you get alpha and beta?
X square minus, okay, so I'll separate later the middle term into -4x plus 2x.
So you got, how did you split it? X square minus 2x minus 8.
X square minus 4x plus 2x.
X square minus 4x plus 2x.
Hmm.
Okay, minus 8. Then,
X in brackets x minus 4,
okay,
2 in bracket x minus 4.
plus 2, x minus 4. Okay, so the zeros you get are x plus 2 and x minus 4. So zeros becomes x plus 2 is equals to 0. So x comes out to be minus 2. Then you get x minus 4 is equals to 0. So x is equals to plus 4. Right. So basically alpha is minus 2 and beta is plus 4. But our question does not end here. You also have to verify the relationship. So how do you verify the relationship?
Alpha into beta should be equal to c over a, and
Yeah.
alpha
So
plus
first of all,
beta should
alpha
be
plus beta is equals to negative of c over a. Okay.
then alpha is 4 and the beta is -2.
Yeah. Minus 2 plus 4 should give you minus c over a. And what is minus c? Minus c is 8 over 1.
Minus b over a.
Minus b over a. Yeah. Minus b over a. Okay. So you get 2 is equals to 2.
Yeah,
So LHS is equals to RHS. That means your answer is correct. Okay.
yeah.
Yes. Now we come to the second question. The second question says 4s square minus 4s plus 1.
So I split the terms into minus 2s minus 2s.
1 second. One second, Umer. Okay. So the second is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So how will you attempt this one?
4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1.
4 square minus 2s and
Minus
then
2s
again minus 2s
uh, plus 1.
plus 1. Okay.
So we get 2.
You take 2s as common.
Yeah,
So in the bracket, you will get 2s minus 1,
same thing there.
right?
Yeah, and
And
then
here you will take minus 1 as common. So in the bracket, you will get 2s minus 1. Is this step clear?
yeah,
Yeah, okay. So you get 2s minus 1 and again 2s minus 1. So you get 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. So s is equals to plus 1 by 2. So your answer is 1 by 2.
yeah,
So this is your 0. Now here alpha and beta are equal. So alpha equal to beta is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. So again, alpha plus beta should be equal to negative of c by a, b by a, and alpha into beta should be equal to c by a. Right. So alpha plus beta is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to negative of b by a. What is b by a now? B was 4. So
minus 4s
minus
minus 4.
4 by 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. You cancel this, you get 1 equals to 1. And here what do you get? Alpha into beta. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equals to c by a. Now what is c by a? C is 1. 1 by 4 you should get. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 4. So yeah, that's also correct. So relationship is also verified. Okay. Now we come to the next one. What is the next one? 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So how are you going to do this one?
6x square plus 2x
6x square plus, no,
2x
wait. First, you're going to rearrange it. Okay, your first step should be rearrangement because this is not in the general format. What is the general format for a polynomial? Quadratic
6x
format
minus 7x
is
minus 3.
ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general format, but this is not in the general format. So first you write down it in the general format. So you get 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now you're going to solve it.
6x square
Yes,
plus 2x minus 9x.
minus 9x. Very good. Then minus 3. So now you're going to take 2x common.
3x plus 1
3x plus 1. Very good. And then you're going to take
minus
minus 3 as common.
3x plus 1.
3x plus 1 again. So zeros will be 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 1. Right? So x is equals to 3 by 2 and here x is equals to minus 1 by 3. Right? So basically alpha is 3 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 3. Now alpha plus beta is equals to negative of b by a and alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Right? So alpha plus beta becomes 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 should give you negative of b by a. Now what is b over here? B is negative 7 by 6. So positive 7 by 6. So see, you'll get 7 by 6 only because LCM is 6. 9 minus 2. 7 by 6 only you're getting. So your answer is correct only. And alpha into beta, 3 by 2 into negative of 1 by 3 should be equal to c by a. Now what is c by a? C is negative 3 by 6. So you cancel 3 and 3, you get negative 1 by 2 is equals to negative 1 by 2. Because this one also will cancel and you get the same answer. So your answer is also verified. Correct. So no doubts up till here? Everything is clear up till here, Umair?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So now you can just come to the next set of questions. You can do question 4, 5 and 6. Okay? Just quickly do 4, 5 and 6 questions.
Yeah, I did it now.
Completed?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will discuss the answers. First, it is 4u square plus 8u. Okay. Okay. 4u square plus 8u. So tell me what will be the factors of this number, of this polynomial.
4u plus u. No, 4u into u into 2.
First of all, you will take 4u as common. So you have u plus 2.
Mm.
So the first one will be 4u is equals to 0. So here u is equals to 0. Then u plus 2 is equals to 0. So u is equals to negative 2. So what are alpha and beta? Alpha is 0 and beta is negative 2. Alright. Now alpha plus beta is equals to negative of b by a. Right? So alpha plus beta, that means 0 minus 2 is equals to negative b by a. So what is negative b? Minus 8 by 4, which is equals to negative 2 only. So negative 2 is equals to negative 2. Correct. First relationship is verified. Second one is alpha into beta should be equal to c by a. So here c is not given to you. That means c is 0. Right? So you will take alpha into beta. That means 0 into negative 2 should be equal to 0 by a means 4. So 0 into negative 2 is 0 and 0 by 4 is also 0. So here also the relationship is verified. So you'll write hence verified. Clear?
Yes.
Easy question. Next
Yeah.
we have t square minus 15. So t square minus 15. 1 second. Yeah. T square minus 15. So if you look very carefully here, how are you going to factorize this?
T square minus root 15 square.
You will take t whole square minus, no, not 15 whole square, under root of 15
Root
square.
15 square.
Right? So what is
Yeah.
this identity now? A square minus b square. So this can be
Yes.
opened as a plus b and a minus b. Is
Yeah.
this clear? So when
Yeah.
you equate both these factors to 0, so you have t is equals to negative of root 15 and t is equals to positive root 15. So what are alpha and beta? Alpha is positive root 15 and beta is negative root 15, or any of the following you can take as negative and other as positive. So now alpha plus beta should be equal to negative of b by a. So alpha plus beta means plus root 15 minus root 15 should be equal to negative b by. Now what is negative b? B is not given to you. So b will be considered as 0 by a is 1. Now positive root 15 and negative root 15 will cancel out to give you 0 is equals to 0. So this is verified. First point clear. Now the second one will be alpha into beta should be equal to c by a. So what is alpha into beta? Root 15 into root 15. So negative 15 is equals to c by a. That means negative 15 by 1 is also negative 15. So this is also
Yeah.
verified. So again our relationship is verified. So this one is also clear to you now. Next is 3x square minus x minus 4. The question is 3x square minus x minus 4. Now, what will be the factors of this?
3x minus 4. X plus 1.
How come?
3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4.
Okay, so first you're going to do middle term splitting. So the factor on multiplication, the first and the last term you get 12. 12 can be factored as 3 into 4. You can do 3x square minus 3x plus 4x minus 4, right? So now this shall give you 3x common, x minus 1. Here you take 4 common, x minus 1. So you get 3x plus 4 and x minus 1.
We
Now
should start plus positive and negative now.
where?
Plus 3x minus 4x.
Why minus 4? You get positive 4, not minus 4.
Here, here, up.
Okay, wait. Yeah, it should be plus 3x minus 4x because it is negative 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, look here. This will be plus 3x, this will be minus 4x. Now you take 3x common, you get x plus 1. Here you take minus 4 common, so again you get x plus 1. Your factors will be 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. Okay, so x is equals to plus 4 by 3 and here x is equals to negative 1. So alpha is 4 by 3 and beta is negative 1. Now again, alpha plus beta should be equal to negative b by a. So alpha plus beta is 4 by 3 minus 1 should be equal to negative b by a. That means 1 by 3. So 3 by 3, if you make this as 3 by 3, 4 minus 3 will be 1 only. So 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. This is verified. And next is alpha into beta is equals to c by a. So alpha into beta is 4 by 3 into negative 1 is equals to c by a. What is c? Negative 4 by 3. So negative 4 by 3 is equals to negative 4 by 3. So this is also verified. Clear? Is this question also clear? Any doubts, Umair?
Yes, ma'am. No doubt.
Okay, good. Now we are done with the first part of the question, which is now this is the one type of questions that they can ask you. The other type of question that we discussed in the previous class also as examples was when zeros are given to you and you have to form the polynomial. Okay. So like here alpha is given to you, beta is given to you. Alpha is 1 by 4, beta is negative 1. So let's try doing this question. What is alpha? Alpha is 1 by 4. And what is beta? Beta is negative 1. And now you have to form the polynomial. Now we know that alpha plus beta is equals to negative b by a. So alpha plus beta is 1 by 4 minus 1. It should be equal to negative b by a. That means, can I write it as 4 by 4 and now it becomes 3 by 4 is equals to negative b by a. So from this part we get, you can cancel negative and negative. B is 3 and a is 4. From this part we get this much. Now I don't know c. So for c I need to do alpha into beta. So I will do alpha into beta. Wait, I'll do it here. Alpha into beta is equals to c by a now. So what is alpha? 1 by 4 into negative 1 should give you c by a. So negative 1 by 4 should give you c by a. From this part, what do you get? C is equals to negative 1 and a is 4, that we already know. Now we know the general format of our equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, right? You can skip this writing 0 also. So what do we get? Ax square. So instead of a, you will write 4x square plus bx. So what is b? 3x plus c. So instead of c, you write 1. So what is your equation now? This is your equation. Understood? This is how you're going to solve this type of questions. So this is the second important form of the questions that they can ask you from this lesson. So start practicing this as well. See, these are the various zeros that are given to you. So you can do the, let me see how much time is remaining. Okay, we have 10 minutes, so you can do the second and the third part by the time. Okay, do second and third part, Umer.
Yeah. Huh?
Yes, Umair.
Yeah.
You've done?
Yeah.
Okay. So first we have root 2 and 1 by 3. So if you talk about root 2 and 1 by 3, so here alpha is root 2 and beta is 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta should be equal to negative b by a. So what do you get now? What do you get now?
Plus 1 over 3.
You just write root 2 plus 1 by 3 is equals to negative b by a. Solve it, you get 3 as denominator. 3 root 2 plus 1 is equals to negative b by a. You can, for now, you can leave it up here only. Let's calculate alpha into beta is equals to c by a also. Okay, so alpha into beta is root 2 by 3 is equals to c by a. That means it is clear that a is 3 and c is root 2, right? From this part, we get to know this. And from here also, you can confirm that A is 3 only. And B is equals to what now? B is equals to 3 root 2 plus 1. And this is negative because B was negative, right?
Yeah.
So when I will be forming the equation, my equation will be written as ax square. That means 3x square plus bx. That means negative of 3 root 2 plus 1 x plus c. So what is c now? Plus 3. No, wait. Plus root. So this will be your equation. Is this clear?
I put 3 root 2 x minus 1x. Is it correct?
If you want to open the bracket, then also you can solve it. You can open the bracket and do then write it. But I'd say don't open the bracket. Just this is the more general format.
Okay.
Okay, understood?
Yeah.
For the next one, what is alpha in beta? Alpha is 0, beta is root 5. Okay. So alpha is 0 and beta is root 5. Okay. So alpha plus beta is written as negative b by a now. So root 5 by 1 is equals to negative b by a. So from here we get to know b is negative root 5 and a is 1. Now alpha into beta should be equal to c by a. That means 0 is equals to c by a. Thus, there is no term for c. C is 0. Okay. So ax square means x square plus bx. That means negative root 5x plus c. That means there is no c, so you will just leave it till here only. And your equation is x square minus root 5x. Clear, Umair?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, good. So these are the questions that we have to do. Question number 4, 5, and 6 for this part you can take as your homework. I'll be posting them on the portal, and then we'll have a discussion in the class in the next session. And so hopefully we'll be done with this exercise in the next class, and then I have to start with the final part of this lesson, which is just a small portion is left, which is 3 when we have when we have cubic polynomials. So a very small section of this lesson will be left. Hopefully in the next class we'll be done with this chapter. Okay, all right. So Mayor, for today we'll keep it up till here only. If you have any doubts you can ask me. No doubts, all clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy chapter only. Now after polynomials we are going to start with real numbers. Okay, all right. So you can go for now, Mayor. We'll continue ahead in the next class.